Good morning. Welcome to the online class of class 12. So today we'll start with the chapter 3 matrices. And today we'll discuss a very important topic of matrices, that is the elementary operation on matrices. So there are three types of elementary operations on matrices. So first operation on matrices is Ri and Rz. Ri and Rj can be interchanged. That means ith row and z row can be interchanged, or ith column and z column can be interchanged. So we'll discuss with some example. Suppose A is a matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2 by 3 matrix. Now, if I interchange, suppose column 1 and column 3, suppose I will interchange, then in place of column 1, we will write column 3, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So, this is the operation column 1 and column 3 is interchanged. Suppose we take another matrix B. Another matrix B. Another matrix B. Suppose 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I can interchange any two row here. Suppose row 1 and row 2 is interchanged, or row 3 is interchanged. Then in place of row 1 we will write row 3. In place of row 1 we will write row 3. So this is called the interchanging of rows and columns. In this matrix also we can interchange, suppose column 1 and suppose column 2 we have interchanged. Always remember, this arrow is both sides. This side also, this side also. That means both sides it has changed. Here also both side arrow. Suppose column 1 and column 2 is interchanged. Then it will be 10, 7, 3, 9, 6, 2, 11, 8, 5. So this is the first elementary operation on matrices. So this one you remember, you note it down that Ri and Rj can be interchanged, column I and column J can be interchanged. Now we shall go to the second operation on matrices. So for second operation on matrices, Ri can be multiplied with k into Ri, and or column I, means ith column can be multiplied with k into column I. This k is a constant. K is any constant. Suppose we take one matrix A. Suppose we take the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 by 3 matrix. A 2 by 3 matrix. Suppose I multiply the row 1 with twice row 1. That means row 1 I have multiplied with 2. R1 I have multiplied with 2. The elements of R1 are 1, 2 and 3. So you multiply each element with 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 5 6. Or in the same matrix we can apply, suppose column 2 I multiply with, suppose minus of column 2. Minus of column 2, that means what? Minus 1 I have multiplied. Column 2 I will multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into column 2. So 2, 4, then minus 1 if I multiply, it will become minus 4, it will become minus 5, it will become 6, it will become 6. So this is the second operation on matrices. Please note it down, it's very much important that Ri, any row or any column can be multiplied with some constant. So this is the second operation on matrices. Now we shall go to the third operation on matrices. The third operation on matrices. Third operation on matrices is very easy. Ri can be written as Ri into K into Rc. Or column I can write column I plus K into column J. So always remember here Ri means here Ri, here Ci means here Ci. So here I, same here Z. Suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always remember this one. Here I, here it is Z. And always remember we take normally I not equal to Z. Okay, because if we take I is equal to Z, then Ri will be Ri plus K into Ri. So it will be 1 plus K into Ri, and this is the same as the second operation. And this is the same as the second operation, K dash Ri. So this is the second operation. So we always take I not equal to Z. If I is equal to Z, then the third elementary operation will reduce to second elementary operation. So this one, suppose R2 I can multiply R2 plus suppose twice R1, 1, 2, 3, R2 element 4, first element is 4, R2 first element is 4, I have to multiply 2 into R1 is 4, then R1 this element is what? On top element is 1, so with 1 we will multiply. We will get 4 plus 2, we will get 6, so here 6. For second, 5 is the second element of R2, you can say 5. Then 5, you see the number on top of 5, it is 2. So 2, and we have multiplied with 2. So it is 5 plus 4, 9. So here it will become 9. Now 4 is 6. Here it is 6. Here 6. Here it is 6. On top element is 3. So 2 into 3. Directly you multiply the corresponding element. 6 plus 6 it is 12. So 7, 8, 9. So this is the third operation on matrices. You can do and see the column operation. So same thing. Column you can multiply and see. This same the same matrix you can apply the column operation. That C1 you can multiply C1 plus C2 suppose. C1 plus C2. This is C1. C1 we have multiplied with C2. C1 we have added with C2. Addition. C1 plus C2 means the column or element we have added with column 2 element. 1 plus 2, 3, 6 plus 9, 15, 7 plus 8, 15, 2, 9, 8, it will remain same. 3, 12, 9. So this is the third elementary operation on matrices. So these three elementary operations always remember. First operation is Ri and Rj can be interchanged. Same for column. Second, Ri can be multiplied with K into Ri. Third is Ri plus K into Rj, where I and J are not equal. I cannot be equal to Z. If I is equal to Z, then it will reduce to second elementary operation. So these three elementary operations always note it down. It is very much important. It is important. Same for column also. So hope you have understood well. Thank you.